This pulley wheel and shaft is of a grass cutter. You can see the shaft is quite badly worn. The pulley is also worn. It's been running, wobbling about like that for quite some time. It's more expensive to buy a pulley than it would be virtually to replace a grass cutter, so I've been asked to try and repair it. The shaft is a straightforward weld up job. I'm not sure to use silicon bronze on it or use brass on it. I'm not quite sure what to do. Obviously it needs a new keyway cutting. The trouble is this is going to be hard, so I may try and build it up, but leave that part. I'm not quite sure. The pulley's worn as well, so the pulley will need boring out, and then the shaft welding up to fit. Quite sure which way it goes, but whichever way it goes, it does want quite a lot of repair work doing. I'll put a clock on there, but it certainly runs nice and true, this chuck. I'm sure it'll be alright. Considering the way it's been running, and it was working alright, it just kept throwing belts off. Right, we've got 10 thou on there. Still got 10 thou. I can't move the chuck on the back plate to take that up, which I think is what I'll do. I might as well remove that now. I could use a 4-jaw chuck, but moving the chuck's just as easy. Right, we're splitting hairs now. Right, we'll settle for that. Doesn't matter what size I bore this to, as long as I get the bore the same diameter all the way through. I just hope this isn't hard as well, and it certainly it's an interrupted cut because it's got a keyway in there. too bad. Wheel's actually oval, not round anymore. Need slow cut so I can get a better finish in there. I'll just put a reasonable finish on it. And it feels like it's the same both sides all the way through. Doesn't matter what size it is as long as it's parallel. I think this shaft will be severely hard, but we'll give it a little try. I'm gonna make it run through, make it run through first, but we set the chuck up on the outside jaws, and that's obviously the difference. This is a piece of ground, precision ground material that will do us round. We'll tighten the chuck up on the master jaw. Put the top here, John. Bastard, you clumsy bastard, John. Right, so now we're 10th out, which is what we were. And we'll clock it in on the outside jaws. Doesn't take long to do it. Not exactly tool room practice, but I'm not working in a tool room. You need to find the high one, which is that one. Again. Right, that's within nothing. And that chuck will now be within, but it's dead on for that size. It'll be within a couple of thou on its full range now. Looks better. That's why you always check you've got clearance. You don't want that happening. I check by just habit now that it's got clearance, but it's a good practice to get into. Hard but machinable. Right, that's done that tool tip. No favours at all, really. Yeah, you can take a bit off it, so it should be good to go now. If it didn't have free play now, it certainly has. There's quite a bit of build up to put onto there. Right, I put a decent amount of mix knot on there. You don't want to have to weld it again, you make sure I put plenty on so it will clean up in one machine operation. Use an oil tip to take the initial cuts off because it will destroy tips and stuff. I've just built it up with ordinary mild steel filler rod. put a different tool on the new tip. We're running things a little bit faster now. It's just about on size. And the lad wants a nice sliding fit. It's just about on size now. I'll give it a light polish and then we'll let it cool down. Just warm to the touch. That's sort of funny his hair off now. That would hammer on. I'll let it cool down then go from there. Right, the shaft is cooled down now to normal temperature. And that is the absolute dog's bollocks that's a lovely fit. Oh, come off you bastard. Right, so I'm happy with that. I may give it a really light polish and then I've got a key to make for it. It's a 5/16 key, I've measured that, so it's not too bad. I'm beginning to wish I'd welded it up fully now, but it is putting the kiwi in. So that was the original shaft. Yeah, that's not deep enough now. Right, I've filed a bit of key steel to fit in there quite nicely. I'll try the pulley on. The key slot's not the best, but it's going to do the job. And that's going to go on there. It will just tap on, which is basically what the lad wants, so I'm quite happy with that. Right, I've put it back on the lathe and as you can see it's running reasonably true, certainly true enough for the grass cutter. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always a massive thanks for all the well wishes anyway. Thanks for watching.